Isaiah 18:1 reads, "Woe to the land of whirring wings." A cryptic verse suggesting an impending doom is coming to a certain land. The mention of wings may be referring to a bird, perhaps an eagle, a symbol that has been used by ancient civilizations throughout the world for centuries. Variations of this powerful symbol of an eagle with spread wings looking to its left and the double-headed eagle can be found depicted by ancient civilizations across the globe. From 10,000 years old paintings found in caves of Brazil in the Americas, to carving in rocks and other depictions found in Mesopotamia alongside their kings and deities, to being used as heraldry in the coats of arms by European monarchs. These eagles used by multiple empires represent the authority and divine right to rule. Similarly, the double-headed eagle symbol conveys a duality of power and authority over both Eastern and Western domains. The crown atop the eagle's heads further underscores the notion of divine right, suggesting a sacred legitimacy to rule over expansive realms. The widespread use of such symbols across diverse cultures suggests a shared understanding of the eagle as a potent symbol of rulership and dominion. That underscores a universal resonance in representing the might and legitimacy of those in power. But what is the origin of this symbol? And which land is the prophecy in Isaiah 18:1 referring to? These questions begin to take intriguing significance when examined in the context of America's geographical representation. When looking at the American continent from a 90 degrees perspective, a striking resemblance to an eagle with spread wings looking left emerges. An image that seems to resemble the emblem that has come to be a representation of America, perhaps the most recognized symbol in the whole world, and also share a remarkable resemblance to ancient depictions and artifacts that seem to be trying to emulate the American continent from a bird's-eye view, which only raises more questions. The verse finishes in Isaiah 18:2, referring to a land divided by rivers, a description that aligns with the geographical reality of America, which is notably crisscrossed by numerous rivers, including the parting of the Waters Creek, which literally divides America in two. The correlation between the prophetic verses and the symbolic representation of America raises thought-provoking questions. Could a bird's-eye view of the American continent be the origin of this enigmatic symbol? If so, how did our ancestors know what a bird's-eye view of the American continent looked like tens of thousands of years ago? A perspective we only gain after the development of maps and through space exploration in the 20th century. Another question we have to ask ourselves is if America is the old world, like many independent researchers have theorized. And finally, if the prophecy speaks of America, why was it changed to Ethiopia in the Bible?